Hey everybody, Mike here from the Focused Garage coming at you with another video. Today we are working on the Sportster again, and we're working on the turn signal lights. Now I just want to make this a quick little video because there are already quite a few videos out there on YouTube on how to do this, but I just want to go ahead and give my little take on it since it's something that I was installing on this bike right now. So, factory turn signal covers. This is pretty much what you got here. Nice little orange cover, which covers your clear bulbs that we've got underneath there. To remove these guys, it's very, very simple. When these rest on the bike, they're going to be resting just obviously like this. Aftermarket one is exactly the same way. You've got this little notch up underneath here. Trying to focus on that for you there. There you go, you can see that right there. What I found best is, again, plastic trim removal tool. You're going to go ahead and wedge this guy in between that and work your way out, prying the whole lens forwards. The lens will slide forwards and it'll allow you to remove the factory bulb that's in here. It is a push style bulb, so what you're going to do is you're going to push this bulb in and turn it counterclockwise, and then the whole thing will come out. To put a bulb back in, you're going to push it in, turn to the right, clockwise, and it'll go lock into place. So that's how these come out. What I've gone ahead and done is I've actually replaced what came in here from the factory with some little trick LED pods and then smoke lens covers. So it kind of helps with making a more clear appearance on the front of the bike, kind of more sleek there with like the polished metal and the chrome and everything like that. But what I do want to go ahead and demonstrate to you guys is what these look like. These are just kind of a generic eBay blinker. I did read good reviews on them and everything did seem to be fine. They will have a LED running light around the outside, and then this piece will actually blink as the blinker when everything is said and done. I'm going to fire this up real quick here and just show you guys what this looks like. So, in running mode here, this is what it's going to look like. Let me see if I can get the light to adjust. There we go. So, you can see here, you've got kind of that ring there. So, when the whole bike is coming at you, you've got a much more uniform appearance now, kind of that nice white color. Flipping on the signal gives you this. So, in the inside of that ring, it is all flashing amber. So, it's going to be very hard for this to kind of adjust on it. I know it all looks like it's a big white flash out, but it is very noticeable in person. You've got kind of this whole amber inside there blinking for you. A little neat trick, once you do install these, you do want to go ahead and put the flashers on the motorcycle, and you do that by putting on the left signal and right signal at the same time. So you'll just go ahead and you'll hold them both down there, and they'll put the flashers on. You want to leave them on for about a minute or so, and that'll help the motorcycle relearn kind of the wattage that these are putting out, because if you do not do that, I have heard instances where you do get hyper flash from the motorcycle, from the electrical system, because LEDs do consume less power than regular bulbs. So what's going to be happening is the bike is going to think that you've got some kind of light out, which is no good. You know, you don't want to have that. So make sure that you've got the hazards running for about a minute there to have this kind of learn everything. I will have links to everything used in the description box down below, but I mean, this was a very simple install. It took maybe all of 10 minutes of my time, and all you really need here is some type of trim removal tool, the lenses themselves that you'll be swapping out, and then the bulbs. It's a very affordable way to kind of get a whole new look on the front end of your motorcycle. As you can see, I've already got the headlight on the bike here, which very changes the look of the front end there. But now we've got these, little lights up here, which are gonna, just kind of make you more visible, add a little bit of a custom look to it. But definitely, I'm a fan of them. I think they look sweet when the bike is off too. You kind of get that whole smoked appearance to the front end there, but they look good. I'm very pleased with how they turn out. So if you do have any kind of questions about them, let us know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to answer them. That's going to pretty much sum it up for this one, though. A very quick little video here to show you, what I've been working on in the last, couple minutes. Just wanted to keep everybody up to date. This is Mike from the Focused Garage. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. If you did not, please let us know what you did not like about it. I'm going to catch you in the next one. You guys have a great day.